Welcome to the Snellen Chart Vision Test, a simple yet effective tool for assessing your visual acuity. Let's explore how this chart helps measure the sharpness of your vision. The Snellen chart, named after the Dutch ophthalmologist Herman Snellen, is a standardized chart used to measure visual acuity. It's a quick and reliable way to determine how well you can see at various distances. As you can see, the Snellen chart consists of letters or symbols arranged in rows. Each row represents a different level of visual acuity. The letters at the top are larger and more easily visible, while those at the bottom are smaller and require better vision to identify. To conduct a Snellen chart vision test, stand or sit at the designated distance from the chart. Typically, this distance is 20 feet or 6 meters. Begin reading the letters or symbols from the top row. The smallest row you can read accurately indicates your visual acuity. The results are expressed as a fraction, with the numerator representing the testing distance and the denominator representing the distance at which a person with normal vision could read the same line. For example, if you can read the 20/20 line, it means you can see at 20 feet what a person with normal vision can see at 20 feet. If you can read the 20/40 line, you can see at 20 feet what a person with normal vision can see at 40 feet. The Snellen chart is a crucial tool for eye care professionals in diagnosing vision problems, prescribing corrective lenses, and monitoring changes in visual acuity over time. Regular eye exams, including the use of the Snellen chart, are essential for maintaining eye health. Your eyesight is a precious gift. Let's keep it clear and focused.